How to become an Uber Eats driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can become an Uber Eats driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order for you to become an Uber Eats driver, you have to sign up as a driver first, and then you have to fill the form and Uber will actually verify it. So to do this, you can download the Uber driver application, open it up, it will ask you to log in. So you can log into your normal Uber account, you don't have to create a separate account, right? So when you log into your Uber account, after that it will ask you to fill in this little form here, which is your profile photo, driving license, vehicle insurance. So you first have to tap on profile photo, tap on the take photo option, and then just make sure to go ahead and then take a photo of your driving license. After you do that, what you can do is after that you can simply go ahead and select for your driving license as well. Repeat the process for your vehicle insurance document, your registration certificate, and the permit, and then you should be able to send these documents to Uber, and then they'll verify it within a couple of days to let you know if you're eligible. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.